Lately, I have immersed myself into video creation on TikTok, and I needed to find a portable camera mount that was light, sturdy, and did not require much assembly. And I'm happy to report that Wealpe Jaws Flex Clamp is perfect for what I needed. There's a choice of two GoPro mounts that snap into place. Then the camera itself gets screwed in, and the mount is ready to be attached to many different surfaces. My favorite spot is this hanging chair where a lot of my TikTok magic happens. And because most of my TikTok videos are created on my phone, I had to buy this phone mount, which made it even more functional for me. I use it every single day, and if you would like to get your own, the link is going to be in the description.